Oh boy, where am I? What the heck? Where the... Well, look what we have here. We got the old Jeep leaking some oil on the freshly paved storage unit. We got Haley's Mustang here, Chase's truck there, and look what just we have in here. What's in here? We got the pit bike. That's right, you guys. We are going to ride some pit bikes today. It's going to be a fun day. Chase, are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Our plans have changed a little bit. We're going to go to Scooby's track that you guys have seen last week, and
I loaded my bike. You know what? I'm gonna start vlogging, and so I get everything ready. I get my camera ready. I'm like, all right, let's go. And Miller's like, we can't ride.
Yeah. So, but we found another track. We're gonna go up to Mike's house. You guys have seen that in the epic pit bike relay race video, and it's gonna be a pretty cool time. Chase, can you go grab a strap for me, pretty please? So that's where we're gonna be heading today. It actually, my pit bike actually fit pretty good in here. I'm actually surprised. Like, it fit just perfect. Jeep runs, it runs, okay? It runs. It's okay, right? So Chase is gonna get his vlog going. I'm gonna get my vlog going. And we're gonna figure out where to go because we're either going 30 minutes north or 30 minutes south. So we'll see you guys in a second once we get on the road.
I'm so glad Miller finally found us a place to go ride at.
He's redoing like half the track. Dude, the track looks good. The track looks good, doesn't it?
The track is thick.
It looks like he's done some changes to it. He took out something over there. He's got a big old dirt pile here. Let's see if we can't talk him during some of that dirt pile right there. Dude, the track looks prime. What's up? All right, guys, just talked to Mike. We're gonna rip some pit bikes now. They actually been running the track backwards, which is kind of crazy. I'm ready to see how it flows, if it flows a little bit better than usual. And then after we rip the track for a few minutes, we are gonna head into the woods. He said he's got a few trails back there. He wants to make a mini arena cross track back there in the woods and a loop trail and that kind of thing. So we're gonna check that out us too. He's got a lot of dirt. We might talk him into building something tonight, so keep an eye out for that. So, but before further ado, let's hop on the GoPro and get to ripping. He's gonna show us the woods loop. He said he's been working on this, clearing it out. Oh, this is kind of fun right here. Oh, we're digging in. Oh my gosh, what is this back here? Yo, this is sick. Oh, little tree jump right there. Nice, dude, that's fun. Let's go. And then you come back in here, and he said you just hop right on back on the big track. You just hop right back on the track. All right, I definitely want to try going backwards. Oh! You want to try to go backwards?
Yeah.
All right, I'll follow you. Oh, you don't get much air there. Oh, I need goggles if I'm following Chase. I guess it would take some getting used to. I kind of like it regular, but I'm used to that.
I like regular.
Yeah. All right, let's go regular. If you guys can't tell. Oh, dude, this track brings back so many good memories. And then we've only been here one time before. I like this little track back here a lot. Chase, I actually want to try jumping in over here because it looks like a perfect little like drop in right here. Like that right there. I wonder if you could do that. Kind of jumped the berm there. I'm just looking for alternate jump lines. Oh, I love this track, dude. It's so much fun. It's so like easy for everybody. Like, you know, like you don't have to try hard to be good at it. And he built it for his son, which kind of makes sense why it's a little easier. I've never been able to clear these. There's Chase behind me. You bet. Woo! Oh my God, arm pump already. This is too much fun, dude. I haven't done wheelies in a hot ass minute. I can't even do it anymore. Oh my God. Get it? Let's see it. Gonna do the jump. Nice little seat bounce action. Oh, we're getting it back. Woohoo! That was far back there. Ever since I got replacement brakes, they just haven't hit the same. Like, they haven't grabbed the same, and I'm kind of nervous, like, because I'm on the brake right there a lot. So we just talked to Mike for a while, just talking about, you know, the old freestyle days and that kind of thing. It was a lot of fun. He really liked Jason Haley's video last time, but it was really cool talking to him about that, because we all grew up kind of, you know, watching the same thing, like Bam, Rob, like, they were talking about something called the Crusty Demons. I don't know if anybody has ever heard of that, but it sounded like it was a good ass shit. So we're gonna be seeing Mike out at the Pit Boys event whenever that comes around. Oh, we rip it, Chase. Chase wants to rip. Get out of here, Chase. Cutting through the woods, a little shortcut. Chase is hot on my tail. Track's all clear. Oh no! Come here, Chase. Chase is too fast, bro. I can't even catch him when I'm cheating, bro. Oh no!
That's pretty sick.
That would be pretty bad. Probably second. Just a little burn. You got it all day. Alright, Chase is gonna do a little gap shoot. I'll probably do it after. It kind of looks easy. Second gear half. Don't overshoot. Whoa, slow down a little bit. Oh, all day. All day, that was money. Woo! Yeah! Dude, that's so sick. That's so badass. You're leaking some gas, sir. So what we just did, guys, was that little lip to right here. It was kind of fun. Let's go! It's so much fun. In second gear, like mid throttle. Oh, this is such a fun little jump. Second gear.
Oh yeah.
Yeah! I like this place a lot. It's just a quick little fun track. It's not as technical as Scooby's track.
Double, wheelie, wheel tap, and
Let's see it. Double. Nice! And then rails it. He's so good. Why is Chaser naturally good at pit bikes? Like, I don't understand it. Oh God. Overjumped that a little bit. Oops. A little too much speed.
You want to make a landing out of here? Dude, I'll fire up the fucking skid.
Oh, after that jump, so you can double. Oh no, man! I popped my tire.
Oh,
that's the first time since I've had these tires on, though. Dang.
I can run this one, dude. I'm gonna get on the skid.
All right.
Find where you think I need to put the dirt.
All right. Oh, for sure. I'm gonna go put this up. Heck yeah. This dude's too nice. I like this guy. Mike's such a good guy. It's so cool that you can be passionate about something, or just like something, like pit bike, say a hobby, that can just bring people together and just you find the coolest people out of it. It's so sick. Oh God, these things.
So be careful. Because that back brake's not adjusted.
Okay. Dude, so nice. Let me ride his bike. Cause I don't know. I mean, it's just cool. He was like, "You just ride this," and I was like, "You don't have to do that." He's like, "No, you go ahead. I'm gonna be in the skid steer." This thing's so tall. It's kind of funky. Oh man, this thing's really weird. Yo, it's kind of sick with the being tall and stuff. Yo, the suspension feels good. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's see. Oh, Ronnie Macked it. Yeah, about where that dirt hole is. I'd say the top of the landing right here, maybe. Just a little, or maybe a little tabletop and to it down. Forget we were doing that. Dude, this thing feels so much different. It feels so weird. Gotta keep her pepped up. Oh my God, this thing's you barely twist the throttle. Oh my gosh. It's you barely twist. Oh my God, it's like pretty raw too. Oh, I don't like where the brake is. Oh, why does this front end feel weird? Oh God. Oh my God, this thing's quick. Oh, oh, it's so fast, bro. I'm just trying to lose him. I'm just trying to lose him. I'm just trying to use all my tail though. Ah, he's on me. Ah, it's getting dark back here, boys. Oh, I was washed out. Oh God. Oh, this thing's fast, boy. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, oh, I can't stop. Oh, why is it that fast?
It's so fast.
That's crazy.
Fast, right?
Dude, oh my gosh. Dude, that's nobody's business.
Fast.
Oh, it's so fast. It's so, I'm getting used. I could get used to it though. That's the thing. This thing, I don't know if I like the tall seat. I think that's the only thing. It feels like such a big bike though. I kind of like the quietness of it. I guess it feels safer. Woo! Oh my God, I was done. You giving it a shot? All right, let's see this thing, Chase. I know if anybody's got it, Chase has got it. Oh, perfect. That's money. I can't believe my freaking tires fly. That does suck though. Mike's so cool that to be doing that for us right now, making a freaking pack adjustment for us. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos recently. I've been trying to put a lot more out rather than, I've kind of taken a step down from quality, kind of up the quantity just a little bit, just in these last couple months of the year, because I know a lot of people are going to be ready to watch at the end of the year. It's getting colder outside. It's going to be so much nicer and everything like that for us to ride. And so I feel like we can just go ride more since it's not burning hot outside. But I have switched to every Tuesday, Thursday post, which is kind of crazy. Chase, can you believe I'm doing 2 videos a week for the rest of the year? I'm doing 2 videos a week for the rest of the year. Dude, I'm doing 2 weeks of video for the rest of the year. 2 videos a week for the rest of the year. Isn't that crazy? I'm glad I could do that. That's sick. More content for y'all to watch, you know? And shout out to Chase's channel, because I'm making Chase be a vlogger, and Chase is probably gonna scrap this video, but I'm not gonna let him because he's silly. So if you would, go down to the description and go to Chase's video, leave a like and a comment and tell him Miller sent you because you to go, and yeah, just check out his video. Dude, look at your foot, it's soaked in gas. But we're gonna be doing a lot more stuff out here at Mike's place. We gotta get a name for this place. We gotta start naming all. We need to write a list down of all the tracks we go to and name them. Yeah. Right, exactly. It's really cool coming out here with Chase and seeing him be really good at it. Makes it cooler for me too, because I like riding and filming, you know, that kind of stuff. But let's see if we can't get this video to 1,000 likes, and I'll do something crazy. I don't know that, but I'll do something crazy for the channel. I don't have any ideas yet. If you got an idea, put it in the comments. I hope you guys have liked the Jeep content. The Jeep is such a fun little unit. It's over there right now. It's such a fun little unit. It's got some quirks and got some little stuff that needs to be worked on, like every project has, but gonna be sick, that's for sure. Now, I did just get back from Gatlinburg last weekend, and it was a ton of fun. I hope you guys like the car content. If you haven't checked out that video, okay, hear me out. If you haven't checked out the video yet, go check it out just for me. Just try it. If you're not a car person, just try it. I kind of make it a little bit more about the people, about the comedy, rather than the cars. So it's car content, yes, but it's funny comedy around surrounding cars. And so even if you don't like cars and you want to laugh, just go watch it and let me know what you think of it, because that's some stuff I'm passionate about. I really like cars, but I don't get to do it much just because I have only one car and parts are kind of limited to it. And a lot of people have done car content already, but I'm gonna try to take a different spin on it. Dude,
oh yeah,
that's way better. All right, Chase, this is so sick. All right, Chase, iron it up. I love that we can create like our own little pit bike track out here with him. Like, that's so cool to me. Dude, that's money. You want more? You want it farther back? Chase is so fast. Go ahead. Yeah! Dude, let's go! Dude, that's so sketchy on a weird, like, I've never ridden this bike before, and I'm just like, oh! That's so much fun, dude. I mean, I'm digging this bike, to be honest with you. Whoa! Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I kinda like this bike. I'm starting to like this bike. It's kinda nice, but I feel like, look how tall I am. I'm not on a pit bike anymore.
Alright, Joe, I want to see if I can catch you in 2 laps. Once you get to the end of that table is when I'm gonna go. 2 laps.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, you ready? 2 laps. Alright, I gotta put some time in. Is he on his way? He's on his way. Alright. Oh shoot, he's catching up, dude. Wait, do I win if he doesn't catch me? How does this work? I've never done this before. No, he's right here behind me. I'm getting tired, shit. Ah! No, you bitch! No! God dang. Oh my god. That was dope, bro. Oh, I'm getting worn out, bro. When did you hit a certain point on pit bikes, your arms become noodles? All right, Chase, let's see it. Oh, perfect. Oh my gosh. That's money. Oh, it's getting dark out here. Oh, I cased the f out of it. Oh god, that was a nut slapper for sure. All right, let's do it one more time. Oh dude, I gotta end it off on a good note. God dang it. Yeah. Oh, that's so much fun. Yes sir. It's so sick. You're the man, dude. Dude, that's so much fun.